Hello guys, what is up? My name is Shoma. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make a car, a sports car again and better in under 10 minutes. So let's go. Set the cube. Resize the cube. I will resize it to the Y. Press numpad 3 so that you go on the side view. Now that's alright. Press 1, press S, press X. Make your car wide. That's too wide. Let's reshape it a bit. Okay, that's fine. Now let's go to side view. Let's go to the. We'll press tab on keyboard, that is edit mode. We'll go to the edge selection tool. Now we go to the loop button. Then we will add some loops. Yup. We have added some loops. That's fine. Select selection tool. Now select this two lines for sports car. Press G and press Z so that you can take it up. Now select this one. Select G, select Z, down. Now going back to the object mode, I'm gonna place it somewhere here. As Z, it is the height. Just reshape the roof a bit. That's totally fine. Now we go to the side view. Select the knife. I'm gonna do it with knife tool, not loop cut tool, because I want it to be a single straight line. So just select one point here and press Z so that it goes all the way through. And I'll just click here. Okay, fine. Press enter so that it gets cut from all the sides. Nice and smooth. The car looks a bit too wide. Let's okay, fine. Now that we are in edit mode, let's just set these two sides. Press S and press X. That angle is too much, but I don't care. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna add some little bit details here and there. Also, we'll select the book tool. There, GY will take it up front, back, GY, take it all the way back. Going back to the selection tool. Then back, select here, GY. I want this to look like spoiler. Not too much, but whatever. Again, with same thing with the rear side, just pick it up a bit. Now same with the front, not too much, just itsy bitsy. Now select both the sides here. Select this one, SX, so that now it looks good. Fine, I will not do it. So now our basic form of the car is ready. So the thing we have to do now is we just select our window, press E and press S and just scale it down. Now press G and press Y or E and Y. Just adjust. So yeah, then we have our windshield. I'm gonna do same with the rear, E, S and S, X. That's fine. Thing is that okay, now it looks good. Going back to the side view, we'll select the knife tool and we will make a window cutout from this. Press enter. Now we are doing this only from one side. There is a reason to it. We'll select these both, and we will just press them inside and press S so that it looks like a window. Fine. Well, that looks good. We'll do the same thing for door. Select the edge, press C so that it goes in a straight line. Press C, use here. Press C so that it goes in some cool formula online. Again, click enter, and that's our. Oh, let's try that again. Simple form. Press C, make it straight, make it go straight, make it go straight, make it go straight, and okay, press enter. Fine. There we have it. Now we have a door and we have a window. Now what we are going to do is we'll select the edge selection tool. We'll select the edge, press S and X so that the rear becomes smaller. Also, I think this can X G Y, so G and Y. So we have our headlights right here. Yeah, that looks good. I'll just select this one, S and X. White body action. No, that does not look good. I will just now select the loop tool and cut the car in half. Now select surface selection, go to front view, select one side and delete the faces. Oh, now in object mode, go to modify properties and add mirror. Looking good. Now just reduce the width of the car. Looks good. Now I'll just select the vertices, only just one of this one, G and X, so that our spoiler looks little bit good. That's it, I guess. Now let's go to the main part. Go to the side view, shift A, select the cylinder RY90, whatever it is for you. You press it here, go and make it smaller. Shift D, 1, 2, 3. Wheel can be here, but I don't want it there. I'll just increase the size of the wheel. Looks good. Shift Y and I just keep my wheel here. GX, take it to the one side. Select the car, go to the modifier, select the boolean, select the eyedropper tool, select the cylinder. Now that will mirror. Go to the boolean, select the eyedropper, select the wheel. Okay, apply. If you select the wheel now, you can delete it, but no, this is wrong. Before booleaning it, what you should do is select both the wheels, should go in the edit mode, and then you should select both of these. You should pull it down so that the wheel well is not all roundish. Fine, let's go back. Now we can do it. Select the car, go to the boolean, select the cylinder, apply and delete, and there you have a wheel well. Repeat the same process. Select the boolean, select the eyedropper tool, apply, select the cylinder, delete. There you have both of the readouts. Now shift A again, cylinder, RY90, enter S G, and you can place it there. 1 GX, pull it out, SX, SG, and I'm going to place it here, GY. Just adjust the wheels. Fine, they look good. Let's go back here. Let's see if I can mirror these wheels in every direction. The car. Well, I can do it, but they won't fit so well. So back to this. Let's do the interview. Shift TY, go back here, and bam, then you have your car completed. And I guess that's it you have to learn in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will add some colors and materials and everything. So looking forward to it. Okay, bye.